because I've been twisting the distributor left and right a lot in the past couple of weeks to try and get that spitting and farting out of the exhaust, when it was probably air getting in the intake, I said I'd go and try and set the timing the way it should be according to the book. So I have my starting handle in. I'm after putting in my screwdriver, roughly 1/4 inch shank on that, or shaft on that, and that went in under the starting motor, and with the rotor arm pointing at one, it lined up and went in, so I took it out again. So that's lined up to where the timing needs to be. So I have my timing light set up, and what I have to do is I have to twist this distributor to get it just at the point where the points are opening. So we turn on our ignition and we twist so that the points are closed at that point, because it's getting positive from this terminal on the coil, it's getting negative through the points when they're closed. So when you turn it a little bit, the point's open, it breaks that connection and it turns off the timing light. And just where that turns off is where you tighten up your clamp, and that is your timing set. So based on that, that's going to be the timing set according to the book. So I'm going to give this a start and see is it any better, since I've managed to get a lot of that spitting and farting out the exhaust sorted. So let's do that and see what it sounds like. So now give it a quick start and see. It's very mild tonight, so I won't say it's going to need choke, but I'll be ready to give it choke if it needs it. It doesn't sound any worse anyway, that's for sure. So I'm happy with leaving it there for a while. I'm going to get my Tipex pen. I'll just put a little mark so I know where the timing is meant to be, and sure, if I have to give it a little twist to retard it or to advance it, to fine tune it, what about it? There's no harm in that at all, considering that's the way it was running up to now for about a month and a half. So I'm going to leave it there for this evening's video. I also should have mentioned that when I filled the oil after I fixed that leak on the one of them on the other side, there was no seal under this bone, so I'm after getting one off of Ferguson 20. Now it's a little bit big, so I tightened it. Because it's copper, that's going to leave an impression, and then I can go and I can trim around that, clean it up just to get it looking a bit better. But I don't want moisture or water going down there into the oil, because I believe these oils were changed, and judging by the condition of them and the colour of them, they definitely were changed not too long ago. Okay, I'm going to leave it there until the next video. Take care.